Hi guys. This is how it looks right out of the pack. Her name is Sassy Issa. So this wig is by Zury Hollywood, Zury Sis, the Sassy collection called Sassy Issa. And she is in a color Sombre 3033. She is made out of Remy fiber, and heat can go on this unit. She is basically a curly unit with bangs. No styling, none whatsoever. Just simply putting it on your head. This is a full capped unit, meaning there's no lace involved or anything like that. Extremely short wig. Very short, as you can see there. All the way around. It gets a little longer in the front and shortness in the back. I'll probably end up brushing this out, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks before I manipulated it any type of way. Okay, first and foremost, there is no shedding on this unit. None at all. I have not gotten a single string to come out on my hands. Nothing. Nothingness. It is very full at the top. It actually feels nappy at the root. As you can see here, this part of the hair. This is not my hair. This is the wig. It has like a nappy feel to it, making it very thick, like filling those holes in at the top. So that's how it's looking at the top here. As you can see, there's a ombre sombre effect at the top, and it comes on down to your 30-33. Got a little bit of highlights going on here. So Issa is basically a wig that her hair falls towards your face with bangs. Because this is a curly style, it's supposedly supposed to make your face look smaller. In this unit, there are several colors, lots of colors. So if you want to check out those colors, be sure to check out the links in the description box. But the color the model has is a Sombre 27-613. I should have tried this color, but I ended up getting this 30-33. So the only thing I'm not really like fond of concerning this wig is I don't see like a scalp illusion. Like, I think it should have had some sort of small part right here, just a small like part, lace part, to like give it that natural feel, you know what I mean? Yeah, the unit is light. It's very airy. It kind of reminds me of Whitney Houston, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do like some brushing out, but I just want to show you how it looked before I did anything to it. So yeah, there's that. So I'm gonna show you once again how it looks. Here it is. Haha. So now I'm just gonna take this brush here, just kind of brush it out, just a hair bit. I think I will like it more when it's brushed out. I like afro-y hair. I think the bangs should like go more downward. Guess it'll be fine.